How to use Toggle Plan. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Toggle Plan. So let's get into it. Now, Toggle Plan is a easy to use project management or business management software that will enable you to have a simple and clean work environment for your business or your project. So to get into it, all you have to do is go on to toggl.com and then you can click on free trial on the top right over here to get started with a free trial of Toggle Plan. So to get started, all you have to do is create your account by entering your email address over here, and then you're going to enter a password. So I'm just going to enter a password for my account. And then you are just going to click on sign up over here. Now, once you do that, they're going to ask you to set up your workspace. So you're going to choose what kind of exact workspace that you want. So let's say we have a design workspace and we're going to keep it on the default mode. Then you're going to add how many projects you're working on. Let's say this is just one. And then you're going to enter how many team members you have. So we're just going to click on done over here. Just like that. So we have set up our basic account and now we can actually get started with customizing our Toggle account. So Toggle Plan really enables you to have a very customized experience on their platform. And on your left, you have a navigation panel. So over here, you have your basic Toggle Plan, then you have your settings, you have your users, and then you have help and shortcuts. Then you have in your design workspace, which is our basic workspace over here, we have our updates, my work, my plans, and my project. So in the project, you have different views as well, and then you also have my team as well. So to get started, I'm going to click on plans, and you can see these in the my plan section is currently empty, and then project one is also currently empty. I'm going to delete this over here. So I'm just going to delete this over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by adding my own plan. So I'm just going to click on this plus icon on the left over here. And then I'm going to begin by naming my plan. So let's say the plan that I want to have is called a sales plan. Then you can add different statuses of the plan. So let's say I'm working on design sales or something like that, and then you're going to enter the different statuses. If there are more statuses you would like to add, you can add them from here. So you're just going to select this and then type a new status. For example, let's say we want to add a status called approved. So after that, I'm just going to click on add and you can see a new status has been added, and I can also customize the emoticon. So I'm going to enter a new field like this. So just like that, I've added a new status. You can also add different segmentations onto your plans as well. For example, in the sales field, let's say I have different segmentations such as working. So you can see I've added different statuses onto my team plan over here. So I've had different segmentations, and then after my status and segmentation, I can also add different tags. So you can add different tags such as urgent, super urgent, or unimportant, or you can add urgency tags or any other kind of tags which you could use to filter out your tasks as well. So for example, I want to add a task called urgent. Then I can also add other tags such as low priority. Then I can also add high priority or other stuff as well. And to change the color of the tags, I can just select it over here and choose the color that I want. So this could be this, and this could just be purple like this. So I've added two tags over here. And then you can choose the overall color of your workspace as well. So I want to make it maybe a blue or purple workspace. And then you have two basic views. You have the timeline view and board view. I'm going to enable them both. You can choose one or the other as well. Then you're just going to click on save over here. And just like that, our new plan has been created. Now, within this plan, you can see I have a timeline view and a board view as well. If I go onto the board view, you can see all of these statuses. These are filtered out. These are like grouped by status. You can also choose to group them otherwise as well. And you can also have filters added to them as well. So you can filter them by the segmentation to only see a certain segmentation of tasks or a certain priority of tasks. Now, if I go onto my actual board, so I can begin adding tasks by just clicking on new task on the top right over here and adding the task, or I can just begin by adding them in the fields over here. So I can just do this, and then I'm just going to type in my task. So I'm just going to add a few samples. So just like that, I've added a few samples, and after that, you can also click on the task over here to add more details. So you can add the dates for when it is due. like this. So you can add, it's like a long task that is going to be completed over a span of time. You can enter the span of time as well. So let's say this is going to be completed from the 25th to the 30th. So we can add those as well. Just like that. And then you can also add the assignee. So I can add user 1, user 2, whoever is the assignee of that task. You can add a description and you can also add comments to that task. Then you also have the segment, start time, end time, all that information about the task. And you can choose to follow or unfollow the task, which would mean that you would get updates upon the task's completion or any kind of updates when the task status is changed or when the overall timeline moves for the task. Now, just like that, you've added a simple task. Now, once you have done that, you can just move it into the next section whenever you're, this is on the to-do list. So if I'm beginning the task, I can move it to the in progress list. Once it has been completed, I can move it to the done list, and so on and so forth. And you can create more segmentations as well, new statuses, so you can add a new status. And then if you take a look at the timeline view on the left over here, you can see once I added the task, it has been added in a very visual form. You can see it visually present within the dates of this timeline, and within your timeline view you can also enter a certain milestone. So let's say on the maybe on the 1st of July I want to add a new milestone, so you can click on add new milestone, and then you can add the name of your milestone over here. So let's say this is going to be 1 year of business. And then you can choose to make this visible everywhere, or you can choose to also turn this as a holiday as well for your company or your business. And this is one way to really have team morale boosted up. And then you can just click on save over here. And this is just one simple way of automating and, having a streamlined workflow of your business. Then in your My Plan section, you're going to have all of your plans in a timeline view. And then in your My Work section, you're going to be able to see all of the work that has been specifically assigned to you. And on your bottom left, you will get a summary of the assigned tasks that are assigned to you. So Toggl Plan is amazing, but it does come at a price. It is not available for free, but they do give you a 14-day free trial. But they start at $8 per user per month, where you have unlimited team timelines, unlimited plan boards, in-app and email notifications, recurring tasks, Toggl Track integrations onto other platforms, shareable timelines, 100 megabytes of storage per file, and visual workload management. And then on the business version, starting at $13.35 per user per month. You have everything in the team version, and you can also invite guest users. You have SSO, project data export, and priority support. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to choose the best platform for you to get started with on your project management. Toggl Plan is a fantastic platform if you're looking for a simple, clean, and neat automation platform to manage your business or manage your projects. And I do find that you can do a lot of the same functions that you do on Toggl Plan on free applications as well, but Toggl Plan does provide you with a good interface, and that is what you're basically paying for. Still, if you're looking for a premium version of any project management software, then Toggl Plan is a good option to consider. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.